Hi, my name is Daniela Brown and I am the safety advocate for UPPAbaby. I am here today to go over some installation tips on using the Knox convertible car seat and the vehicle belt. To start out with, I've taken the liberty of already routing my vehicle belt in the belt path. Taking your lap belt, it must go underneath your tensioning plate, shoulder belt over. Apply pressure right into your wrist so it's at 90 degrees. And the direction in which you're applying pressure is down this way. Where your back and your cushion meet, we call that our vehicle seat bite. So pushing down directly into the wrist and then pulling up with your shoulder belt. So it's a push and pull, and you can see I'm holding all of that tension in my left hand. Maintain that tension and route through your tensioning clips, feeding them both up into as high up into the far end of your tensioning plate as possible. Next, come and check and make sure that your tension indicator on your SmartSecure system has triggered green. It may not be fully green, and that's okay. The purpose of the SmartSecure system on the Knox is a guide for installation. There's a lot of things that play a factor in how you get your tension indicator green. It's your cushion angle on your vehicle, the back angle on your vehicle, as well as you have the angle from your vehicle belt, your buckle, and your recline position on your Knox convertible car seat. They all play a role on where the lap belt is situated underneath the tensioning plate. So your tension indicator will trigger green, but what you should be checking is your belt path. But before we check our belt path, we need to trigger or pull in our retractor and get that locking mechanism triggered. So what I've done is, in this situation, our locking mechanism is in the vehicle retractor. I advise you to pull out your vehicle owner's manual and find out where your locking mechanism is in your vehicle belt. So I pulled it out all the way. I'm feeding it in now, feeding any excess webbing in as well. And then my final checkpoints are ensuring I have good contact with my vehicle cushion, contact here with my vehicle seat back, and then I'm checking my belt path, which is your point of installation. I'm checking side to side and fore and aft to ensure I don't have any more than 1 inch movement in either direction. And this is the Knox using seatbelt rear facing mode.